Here's how to upload images to Cricut Design Space app using your Android phone. So first you go into Cricut, into the Play Store, type in Cricut, download the app. So it'll take about a couple of seconds, as you see here, to download. So now we're in the sign in screen. We're just going to sign in with our email address and our password. Right now it's just telling us all the new things that you can see in Cricut. So we'll go to click on the plus. We'll click on upload. We've got three options here. We've got take a photo, select from photo library, and open uploaded images. So I say open uploaded images. I choose this one, add, and there it is. It's here, it's uploaded, and that is how you can upload an image into Cricut Design Space, into the app on your Android phone.